for you?
Yep.
All right. 1 mac and cheese cup.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's this.
Thank you.
And then here's that for you. We'll buzz you when we're ready, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, what are we thinking?
I'll do the strawberry cup and the mac and cheese cup.
Yeah. Make that another mac and cheese cup. I will take that buzzer back from you. There you go. Yep. Mac and cheese cup, and then you said Dubai.
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be $30.72.
It's cash.
Oh,
Actually, you can have your one bed.
okay. Here's this. Me for you. Oh, hot dog down, dude. There you go. All right, have a good one. I love when a hot dog drops because then it's mine. What are we thinking?
Which guy? Oh, they gotta do the one strawberry one too?
Two with the Dubai cups.
Yeah, and then I'll do the banana pudding.
No, you won't? We're all out.
Huh?
We're all out of the banana pudding.
Uh,
And tiramisu. We're all out of tiramisu.
I'll do the Reese's cheesecake on a stick.
Okay. That comes out to $46.07. Don't go nowhere just yet. Okay, my friend. Here is this.
Thank you.
You are so welcome. You guys take care. Did you want to?
Didn't say smile.
Oh, sorry. It actually, I was anticipating you to leave, and then it was gonna go,
Oh.
and now you're in it. All right, what are we thinking?
Can I just get a hot dog with chili and shredded cheese?
Yeah, we can make that happen.
Thank you.
One full throttle, but no mac and cheese. You can still sprinkle the cheese on there though.
What I owe you?
That's gonna be $13.16.
That's 15. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Good enough?
Yep. No, nothing on it, and then we're gonna do a full throttle, but no mac and cheese, just sprinkle of cheese. Okay, don't leave just yet. Make sure you get your change. Yeah, chili and a sprinkle of cheese. Here's this for you, and this as well. That'll buzz when we're ready, okay?
Okay.
Give me 1 second, all right?
Yep, no problem.
Excuse me, y'all.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, here's the plane. Super duper.
Awesome. Have a good day.
You too. Again, 1 more second. Gonna get right behind
Do you
you.
guys have forks?
Yeah, hold on.
Fork in the napkin if you have.
Of course. I know.
Sorry.
No, you're okay. What's that? This is what?
Thank you very much.
Alright. What can I get for you guys?
Just mac and cheese cup and one of the strawberry Dubai cups.
Okay. 1 mac and cheese cup. Alright. And then Dubai cup. Bam. That's going to be $30.72. Right down there, my friend.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, don't leave just yet. All right. Guess what? Chicken butt. Here you go. Need one more mac and cheese cup. Is that gonna be all for you?
Yeah.
All right. $14.26, my friend. Then we're gonna do this. You ready?
Big bus.
Yep. Thank you. Don't leave just yet. Coolest thing in the world is gonna happen. You ready?
What's that?
Boom. All right, there you go.
Heck yeah, have a good one.
You too. Bye. Welcome back. Sorry.
Can I do 2 throttle dogs?
Yeah.
And are you guys out of the banana pudding?
Yep.
Can I do a tiramisu then?
Yep.
We out of that too?
Yep.
What about the Dubai strawberry cups?
We got those.
Okay, we'll do one of those.
2 full throttles. And then a Dubai cup. All right, $42.78.
Alrighty.
Give me 1 second. Don't leave just yet.
You want?
I wasn't sure if one of the hot dogs is yours or not.
Yeah, one of them.
Don't leave. Don't leave. Don't leave.
Don't worry, don't worry. Take care of this.
Why do you think I'm trying to stuff stuff in my pocket?
No, the greasy corner is this one. Point it slightly downwards and it should get on you.
Oh, it looks so good. Look at the turkey, man.
I know. I want one of those so bad.
I have to pound for it.
I know.
Yeah, they were only $20 at the like juicy place is what it's called.
Where
Jerky
at?
Juicy, the pink one.
Yeah, it's the pink one all the way over there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like $20.
All right. This and this for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You as well.
You can always. No, never mind. Give me just one moment, okay?
These are your Zumba instructors for the day. Woo! So we teach all over the place. We teach at the YMCA, at the Lacey Senior Center, Olympia Center, Thrive Fitness, Whetstone Fitness, Lacey Senior Center, at the mall.
Get this down and see if it's still got room for more.
Walk a few laps, burn it off.
We're also at the Asheville Cultural Community Center on Tuesday and every Wednesday. So come and join us. If you like us and love us.
1 second, all right? No, I'm just communicating with you. I'm waiting until I get these classified, and then I'm going to take their order.
That looks delicious. I made that at home. Do you guys ever go to Prince Doghouse?
There's one of BP.
Yes, they have so many different kinds.
All right.
So we've done hot dogs and Johnson's. I got like a hot dog.
All right, here you go, bud.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, what are we thinking?
Can I get a strawberry Dubai cup and a Snickers cheesecake on a stick, please?
Absolutely.
Yeah, they have one over there that has peanut butter and bacon.
I like peanut butter on hamburgers.
It's so good. Like every time we go there, I'm like, I love all the ones I've had, but I'm like, I gotta venture out and try a new one. But they're all good too.
This for you.
Yeah, buddy.
Strawberry Dubai cup. And there you go. Very nice. $5.62. Don't leave yet though.
All right.
All right.
Nom, nom, nom.
Snickers. Got it underneath there.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good one.
Hello, hello. Hello, how's it going? Fine, how are you? I'm
What are we thinking?
Let's do a mac and cheese hot dog cup.
Okay.
Then I will get a Reese's cheesecake on a stick.
Okay.
Actually, make it 2 of those.
Uh-huh.
And then I'll do a Snickers cheesecake on a stick.
Uh-huh.
And then you got anything besides water or just water?
Just water.
All right, let's take 2 waters.
Alrighty. It's gonna be 58.14.
Okay.
Okay, so it's gonna be the, yep, and then don't go nowhere just yet, alright? Waters here in a second, okay? Awesome. 2 of them, please. Yeah. Did you want a bag?
Please, that would be helpful.
One or two?
I know. Alright, what are we thinking?
Hey, how's it going? Can I get one of the tiramisu bowls?
We're all out of those. Yeah, I know, I'm so sorry.
None of the sweets are getting there?
No, we've got the Dubai cups and our cheesecakes.
The what?
Or the Dubai cups and the cheesecakes.
Yeah, I think I'm alright. Steele wants to know if you guys want some food.
Who?
Steele, the
Steel?
next door. You guys want a mashed potato bowl or something?
Steel was wondering if we wanted
Mashed
any food.
potato bowl or something?
Yeah, you can trade if you want. No,
Yeah.
Oh, we
absolute problem.
can, sure, yeah.
Absolutely,
You want a mashed potato cup with some chuck and corn and mashed potatoes, or you want mac and cheese, or?
I don't, honestly, you guys can surprise me and I'll take it.
I could do mac and cheese with chuck. I like that.
Let's do it.
You want a mashed potato then?
I don't want anything.
Are you sure?
Yes, for me, yeah.
Are you positive?
Yep.
We can get both. It's all right. No problem.
Actually, we are sold out. We have just the super duper dog and the classic. Just
Yeah.
that's it.
That's all right. Are you guys going to be making these items full time at the actual restaurant or no?
At the shop, no.
Okay.
But
Just
the
for-
food truck will have them all the time at Lacey Night Market.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm
Thank
so
you.
sorry. Hello, hello.
Thank you.
You guys still got hot dogs, right?
We have the classic and the super duper.
That's it.
Can I get the classic?
Yep. It comes with mayo, mustard, and ketchup. Is that okay? All right. We can make it hoppy. All right. $6.58.
And I don't know how to work this. Oh, okay, it's a tab. Thank God.
All right. And it'll be out in just a second. Oh, don't run off yet.
Oh,
We
okay.
literally got it right here.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Thank you so much.